Hello out there. Well, sad suspect. You guys, time for another dose of Stockx steals. Sunday night Stockx steals. We got another steal of a deal on Stockx. I couldn't help myself. Wait, it's a little sad. It's a little suspect. Okay, you'll see you'll see it in a little bit. Okay, just stay tuned. I'm gonna get something else and we're gonna unbox in a sec. Okay. I don't actually need this. I don't actually want it, but I couldn't say no because it's that thing like when you see something that's for a deal, Indian, like always like whatever haggle discount saving money, I buy it even though I know not buying it is actually saving money, but buying it for a discounted price is saving the cost of it, is saving the difference of what it would have been from the store. So I'm like saving a lot, so I'm getting like a deal, so it's like a steal, so it's like free, you know what I mean? It's like free, it's like saving. For example, this was maybe like $1,200 off. Hi Chai, you want to play? Okay. This was probably like $1,200 off retail, so like I saved $1,200, and then I saved $1,200, so you take $1,200 off the price of the thing that I actually paid, so really it was free. And also like I'm never gonna get it for this price ever, so if I ever wanted to get it, now I got it for this price. Does that make sense? Anyway, we're gonna do a quick Stockx unboxing, okay? Another steal video, Sunday night, savings, sustainability, savings, steal video, because it's, you know, because it's sustainable because I'm buying it from someone else instead of buying it from the store, so it's like saving, right? Secondhand. It's almost secondhand, even though it's brand new because it's Stockx. You know what I mean? Anyway, this was an amazing deal. Stockx, great place. You guys gotta go check it out. Stockx, if you're watching, I'd love to be a partner. Let's talk. Send me a secret message. Okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic. And today we're doing a quick Stockx unboxing that I got from Stockx. Goyard from Stockx. Alright, so if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay, like I said, this was a steal of a deal. For those of you who don't know, Stockx sells brand new items from brands. It has to be brand new. It has to be in the way you would have gotten it from the store, like in the box, in the bag, in the plastic, whatever. Brand new. They authenticate it themselves, have a great authentication process, and then you buy it. So you can negotiate the price. Not negotiate, you bid. If somebody has an ask, you bid. You kind of like negotiate and meet in the middle and price. I have alerts for every bag, every Goyard bag that I have ever been interested or wanted, or anything that's kind of a deal. So if it's like way under retail, and I bid the lowest or the highest. If it's the highest, I would feel comfortable paying / the highest. If it's like if there's a low bid, I'll just bid a little bit higher. Than if there's a low bid already, then I'll bid up a little bit higher. And then sometimes when there's an ask that seems good, I'll just take it at a price. But I have these, and sometimes it'll accept itself because it's like my bid's there and somebody will accept it. Okay, makes sense. I've explained it better in other videos, so go check out the other videos. Anyway, this was a negotiation. We went boom, 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 boom. Like we did a lot of it. It was within minutes. But their price was already so low, so they went lower, I went lower, they went lower. I kept going up like $25 to $50. They kept going down like $5. But that's how it always is, because I think like the people have like their seller price they don't want to actually go under. Here you go, Chai. Chai really wants to play right now. Anyway, so we're gonna unbox it, and that's about it. I'm just gonna unbox it because it's Sunday night, I'm tired, and I just got it on my show to you guys. I'm actually really excited. I didn't think I wanted this, but I actually am really excited to see this. Yeah, I'm just excited. I'm excited to see this bag. I'm excited to see this combination on this bag. So let's open it. I'm gonna open it on TikTok and then I'll open it here, okay? So I'll be right back. You guys, it's a little sad, a little suspect, a little sad suspect. Okay, you guys, so I unboxed it for the talks. I unboxed it for the TikToks, and it's a little suspect. I'm a little scared, a little seems sus. Well, sad, sus, seems scared, sus. Is that enough S alliteration? I think so. Okay. Sad, sus, scared. Anyway, okay, I unboxed it. First, the box was a little broken. Okay, I didn't realize. Okay. Secondly, it was stuck in the bottom. Thirdly, there's no receipt from Stockx that always comes with it, which made me a little question it. Came in this little bag, which it always does. It didn't come with a receipt, okay? Which, fine, whatever. But then this, like what happened last time. So maybe it's not always a girl. First of all, this dust bag is way too big. Definitely not the right size. Yeah, it's dirty. Okay. I know these are all little silly things, but when I buy it, I'm buying for a new thing. I'm paying for a new thing, so I better get a new thing. Even though I'm not paying for a new thing, I'm paying for a new thing. You know what I mean? I'm paying for a new one. So she got a new one. This doesn't feel new. Okay. First of all, here it is. Okay. I wasn't really excited about this. I was kind of excited about this. I was medium excited about this. I was semi excited about this. Okay, stop with the S. All right. But this first didn't have the plastic on the handles, which is the first sign that I'm like, then it's not new. Secondly, the size seems a little, like now I'm starting to think, is this not? I'm gonna have to make a complaint. I'm gonna have to do that thing to StockX. I guess this partnership is going sour. So it's a little, the size seems a little off, but I'll have to check into something else. But the handles don't have their plastic, and then these tags don't seem like the normal tags that come on a Goyard. Like, there's usually something on the back side of this one, and this sticker looks off to me. I'm gonna go compare it to some. I have to find a tag on something, but I have them somewhere. I know I have some of the tags somewhere, so I have to go compare it. But I'm a little sad, okay? And I can't, because if I'm gonna return it now, I can't take this off. So I'm gonna email StockX and ask them, StockX, but I'm really sad because I feel like this, it's so soft. It smells nice. It's so soft inside. This leather is really, really soft. But then the other thing is the year on this is 2017 or 2018, which is like, who's keeping a 2018 bag for 6 years and it's unused? Actually, that could be me. Oh my God, did I sell this to myself? Did I buy this from someone else that's me? Another version of me? Hello out there, if you're watching. No, but seriously, this is a little, I don't know, disappointing. I mean, look, whatever. I would have used the bag anyway, but I like that. I would have wanted it to be new, and I would have wanted all the wear to be mine. Now I'm gonna have to look for wear. Like, I found a little scuff on one of the handles, and like now I'm gonna like be like a little paranoid about all of it being scuffed. And yes, I get it. It's not like whatever. I like my stuff to be brand new when I use it, and that's me, and that's my quirk. So whatever. And that's what I paid for, even though I didn't pay for the full price I paid for. Okay, so I'm going to email StockX, but this is what I got. It's Anjou PM in orange, l'orange Anjou PM size, reversible. Like I said, this is normally the 20. I want to say $29.60 plus tax, so like $32 from the store. And I paid $17 plus all the fees, so like I want to say it was like $2. So like $32 versus $1,200 savings. So really, $2 minus $1,200 is $800. And really, when you're at $800, you round down, which is $0. So it was free. Not as exciting. Anyway, that's my Sunday night haul. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do another one. We're gonna unbox something else instead, okay? So stay tuned. I'm gonna get something else and we're gonna unbox in a sec, okay? What do you guys think? Also, like now I'm is the shine off? Is the sheen off? Now I'm gonna look at everything. Should I count the dots? Here we go. Now we're on that spiral.
I mean, the dots look fine.
I mean, the other stuff looks fine, but again, now it's like just making me question it all. Big question mark. Okay, anyway, that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. Hate it, share with your enemies. Next, I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one, baby.